Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove fake PNG in Photoshop. Go to the image menu, then choose adjustment to labels. Right side, increase white balance, and left side, increase black balance. Then go to quick selection tool from the toolbar and selection arrow. Go to select menu, then modify to feather. Feather use 0.5. Go to layer panel, then click on the mask icon and make transparent. Go to file, then save as. Choose PNG. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.